Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a dual tone effect on your images. So basically nowadays we are learning photo editing in Canva. So that's why I teach you different photo effects. So there are two or three more effects that I will teach you. After that we will go towards text editing. So let's get started. But before we started, I request you to go to my channel Iron Tech and please subscribe the channel, and also go to playlist section. Here I uploaded different courses like Python mastery course, uh, Pinterest marketing course, HTML course, free Canva designing course. This course will help you a lot. And in future I also uploaded complete Python mastery course. So that's it. And let's go to Canva. Here I search Instagram post square. It will appear in the next window, so wait for some seconds. And it show me different templates, but I selected create a blank Instagram. So guys, the first step is we need an image. If you have your own image, then use this, or but I choose in photo section. So here I search model, male model. So that's it. And that's it. I drag this image and place it to the whole background. After that, there is a function, there is a functionality of Canva called rulers, and this is also very important. If you don't know about rulers, I teach rulers in my first, I think third or fourth class, so you can watch that class, and after that you understand what rulers are. So I go to file, and I think here are the options called rulers. Add guides. Yes, this is called guides. And add guides. Okay, after that Control Z, and place it in the center. So that's it. I divide the image into two parts. So after that I click on the image and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate the image, and you can see that image is duplicated. I again I so after that I crop the first image to the first half. That's it. After that I apply effect on this. There is an effect called like I go to filter and grayscale. Yeah, that's good. And after that I click on this part, and again edit image, adjust, increase some contrast and some brightness, and that's it. as you can see, there are the dual tone effect is applied. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and we have 2 or 3 more classes on effect, and after that we will move toward text editing. So if you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.